let's go survivors.
The survivors?
Yeah.
Okay.
And turn off your
Which
fucking voice changer.
Sir, it takes time. And time is money.
It sounds disgusting.
Time is money.
Time is money. Hey, kitty. You look drunk off your ass, cat. What'd you do? Like, its hands are, like, over the thing, like, about to touch my keyboard, and every time I go to, like, touch the keyboard, it tries pawing at me.
I have a feeling my fucking internet's gonna crash during this goddamn game.
Like, what? How did your internet crash before?
It just constantly does because CenturyLink is trash.
Yeah, that's what my dad got rid of it.
Yeah.
He
why
switched to
story?
Comcast.
We switched from Comcast to CenturyLink because it was cheaper, and we thought it was better, but that was a dirty fucking lie. What the hell happened?
I don't know.
It finished loading, then we went back to the lobby.
That was beautiful. If it does that one more time, I'm hearing my voice changer and screaming, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and then we're gonna leave.
Okay, that sounds fine. It loaded way
I
faster
honestly
this time.
don't want to hear that voice changer with screaming. It honestly sounds like a really high pitch.
Then don't do it.
Can
It's a
might
fucking
break a couple windows. Turns on like full blast your speakers and might break a couple windows. Just
What the fuck?
okay, I'm done here. I'm out. Oh,
Alright.
there
Time
was
to find it.
leaving.
Let's see, dead center. Here we go. Let's go infected, I guess. Hey, Lane, it's Cage!
It is? Where?
Go infected, not
Oh
survivors.
my god. Oh, infected? Okay. Where's Cage?
He left.
Haha,
right,
Cage.
right after you joined.
Oh, Cage. Oh, Cage.
It's fucking exciting.
Dude, I agree.
What was happening in the last lobby?
Like, oh my god.
Why do you say Ohana mean family? What the fuck?
Ohana.
Y'all don't mind hard rain, right?
Y'all don't mind.
Nah, hard rain. Hard rain's good. Not to do so, I prefer dead ass.
Whoa.
Oh, we got the Pooh Fighter 2000. Victory is assured.
Victory is assured.
Kill yourself.
Oh, I didn't change it.
Disabled, okay.
Holy
Nobody
crap.
gets left behind or forgotten,
Let's
alright?
go.
Please, team.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go. Go to start.
A go.
Uh-oh.
Ladies, it's hard rain. Starts it. Poor mother. Like, I just feel like some random guy joining is like, oh, dead center. Changes the order. Oh, what the
Hard rain.
fuck?
No!
Ah, shit. There's witches everywhere.
Ah, shit. There's witches everywhere.
Okay, you're already enough of a sloater. You all tabbing to screw with your Skype thing is not going to speed
It
things
just
up.
shows up. I don't have to alt tab.
You are ununderstandable. You are not understandable.
It just shows up. I don't have to alt-tab.
What do you mean? So you have a giant thing on your screen 24/7?
No, it's just like... I legitimately just have to click in-game and I'll be there, but... My task manager bar sits there and I can use it. I can use it off my task manager bar.
You play Left 4 Dead in windowed mode?
No.
I was gonna say you're trash.
It's just when it's just like when I start it, since I was using my sound speakers, sound stuff, I can click on it and it still loads and now it's gone. There we go.
I'm a boomer.
Let me get on the oh,
Shit.
oh. I want it on the phone. Dies. This is what I get for my sins. Yeah, screw it, Juki.
Well, the good thing they're waiting, you dumbass.
Yeah, no, I heard it waiting, and I was like, ooh la la.
There you go.
Yeah, they're not waiting.
Go for the death charge.
Okay. Sorry, Dad.
Sorry. Sorry, Chris. Wait, what the fuck is this? That is You got it! Oh shit! You got that.
We're waiting. Dead charges him.
Oh!
This is why I want to do it.
I thought you were gonna fuck it up at first, and you're just like,
This is dude.
oh, I thought who'd you death charge? Not Coach. I thought it was Coach. You got Ellis. Rest in peps. I'm gonna try. Lane, you're going
That
ham.
was fucking legendary. No warlock. Chaotic offering gold for you, fucko.
Sir, do you want me to use my voice and call you the best around?
Cause you're the best.
Because I can't do that.
AI spitter OP. Oh yes, AI spitter. I love it.
Yeah, like Boomer is where it's at, really.
Was that an AI boomer? No, it wasn't.
Hold on.
Oh, go chalk your shot. Aw, Michelle's by herself.
So
That would've-
close.
that would've been.
Wait,
You would've
I'm
got
gonna wait
two
for
of
it.
them. Oh, Coach is stuck on zombies. Oh, never mind. Let me. Lane, don't bring him this way. Okay.
I'm bringing him back over the thing.
I spit so they can't go after him. Nice, they went for you and I got hella damage. Oh shit, that hunter coming clutch. Dude, we're fucked.
LOL.
Clomb. Ah, too late.
Not too late.
Oh,
I
rip.
die for my sins.
We're fucking these guys up. Oh, nice job, Boomer.
LOL.
What? Oh, fuck!
This is why I didn't let you be Charger.
I'm a god.
There's an
God.
AFK person right over there, right?
You know that I suck ass at Charger and can't hit shit. Oh, that tongue pull. Oh, Rex.
I'm gonna
Oh.
kill the AFK person.
Just boom on him. There you go. That was just dirty.
Uh-oh. Well.
Well, this is awkward. Dude, they barely
Oh,
fucking...
she's down. Crashed as I'm wrecking her.
Okay, AI jockey got him. I just need to get Nick. If I can spawn.
LOL. Bullshit.
Got him. This was a 10 out of 10 run. BS. What is he calling BS for?
Bullshit.
Get imagine. Ow, asshole.
Don't do it, Dylan. Don't do it, Dylan.
That fat ass.
No. Ah, man ass.
Okay, let's try not to get death charged.
Alright.
All four of us fly into the water.
I
Frying pan. No,
got a saber.
And so did I. Machine gun.
Should I actually pick up a weapon? I don't know.
Probably, Lane.
Alright. So I took like 3 damage. I'll go pick up this machine gun. My one solution. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Da, 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 da.
Alright, Lane, let's try to get farther than they did. Wait, oh, you guys are all the way back there still. Charger behind you. Oh shit. Ow!
Charge it behind you!
Actually, it was right in fucking front of my face.
I don't know about that, Dom.
And it was kind of shitting on me.
There's
Alright,
Juki.
can we go? Because I
Turn
really
around, you fatty!
don't want to fucking lose these guys.
Let's go.
Oh, what the fuck?
Should I go get him or leave him?
Let's go get him.
Go get him?
Actually, fuck him. He's dead. He's dead.
Hey, he's dead.
Oh,
No, he's not.
I don't give a shit. He's dead. Oh, he's going for him. No. Who's going? Fuck him. He's a useless piece of shit.
So the guy's a guy.
What
Hey,
the fuck?
I'm Dylan, really?
What?
You can just punch me like, you know what?
I was
Nah.
like 5 feet away and he was on a goddamn roof.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
Why is this mission, like, seemingly so hard? We should not be down at... I thought they were bad, but maybe we're all bad.
Why?
Well, cause...
The AI Ellis got killed.
Yeah. And, after, like, 10 feet outside the safe room. Oh, shit, I got stuck on a fence. You could just punch him, Lane!
And I did. Could just
Ow.
dodge that, Dylan.
I did!
But you didn't. You walked into it, don't you lie.
I didn't do shit. I dodged right past him. My dodging skills. Let me in the window. Let me in the window. Let me in the window. Fuck. Fuck it.
Well, stay outside, you dirty whore.
Oh, shit. Wait, did we go a different way?
No.
Oh, maybe not.
What the heck just happened? I feel like you just took one of my keys off.
Ah, shit, Spitter.
Hunter, get the fuck away from me.
Oh, wrecked. How do you go... Is that a girl?
Go, I mean,
Oh, no! We almost got wombo comboed. Cover me, we must get the female up, Lane.
it's not even a girl.
It is a girl.
No, it's not. It's a,
Oh shit, it's a witch! Oh, I almost machine gunned the witch. I saw it. I was like, oh,
Just a bitch.
fuck!
Oh my god, she's getting charged. I hope that's a she, anyway.
It's a she. Ow, ow, ow. Help, I've been tongued. I've been tongued. Oh, lordy. Fucking horde.
Oh, I'm bad. No, that's a witch.
You see? I almost shot it too. I turned around, my flashlight fully on. It's like, oh.
Oh.
I don't want to shoot that. Oh, shit. I don't know how I didn't
I like
get
my
moved
king
on.
inside.
Help, 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 help.
Can't see shit, where are you?
Oh, rip my health. No, Lane! To your left! Lane, you're trash! No, I'm
I
down.
said I can't see you, where
I'm
are you?
right to your fucking left. I'm behind the boxes. I am a dead man. Jesus Christ. I was right next to you.
I'm down,
Oh,
I'm down,
Lord,
I'm down,
it's the same
down.
hunter. No! Pistol! Yes!
I have 5
You're
HP.
oop. No! Help! Help! Lane? Oh my
The fuck?
fucking god.
Just pick up.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, we're fucked. Why'd he throw a pipe bomb right next to us? That might down me. Is he getting you up?
You can, if you really wanted to.
I said, is he?
He's trying to, but there's too much horde around me.
I thought I threw a fucking pipe bomb.
Something's hitting me, what? I can't, I'm dead, Dylan. Dylan!
Nope!
Dylan, one more! Keep behind you. You're dead.
Rest in peace. That was beautiful. I think best run NA. You're right.
Better than what they did.
Lane, that's like saying, yeah, we did better on a fucking math test than a man that's like literally completely fucking retarded. That was not accomplishment. Lane with that death charge giving him that 422 damage.
Still wasn't top damage.
Well, because they didn't make it far enough to do a lot of damage.
That is true.
I took 2 sets of pain pills.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't even get a heal.
I did 2 sets of pain pills.
I got hunted, and then she's like, you know, I'll pick up Dylan. I'm like,
Well, I was almost dead.
I know, but Hunter first.
Oh, are you Arco
Hunter
now?
does most damage.
Hunter does this damage! Hunter does this damage!
No, it doesn't. Charger does.
No, it
Hunter
doesn't.
only does the most damage when you're incapacitated.
No, Hunter, I don't give a fuck. Am I the only one loaded in?
Yeah.
God, you guys are fucking slow.
Told you, dude. Slowders for life, mate.
I've been here.
I look boom bile. Oh my god, is this the pipe? No, okay, good. I swear, it looked like the one area. Hey, yo, Dylan. Make sure you grab. Wait, why do I have a health pack?
Because you start out with one, because you're such a fucking soldier, your AI picks up one.
Dude, nice. Let's see. Hey, yo, where? Whoa! Grab a pipe bomb.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah,
Wait, they have a full-
for
they
Hawaiian,
have a-
she's AFK.
No, they have a full team. Shit. Oh, we have 3 people, I guess.